Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and right here let's scroll down in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to tap on the Fingerprint Manager, and as you can see, this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have the screen lock. It simply means that, of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to another step directly to the fingerprint options and so on. If not, you really have to set a screen lock right now. You can pick the pattern, pin or password. It is important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will not be able to unlock your device. So it is really crucial, and you will not be able to add the fingerprint without setting a screen lock. So let me pick the pattern, for example. Let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here you can decide what kind of notification content you want to show on the lock screen. It's up to you, of course. Just mark the option and tap on done. And here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so for what you want to, you can use actually the fingerprint for, how it works, you're in control and so on. So let's tap on I agree. And here we've got also the information how to hold our device, so just hold it normally, add the finger which you will normally use to unlock your device, and so on. As we can see on this animation, we've got the fingerprint sensor localized on the power button of this device on the right side. So let's tap on next. And right now we have to register, so we have to add our fingerprint. So just put your finger on the sensor and do it multiple times in order to add your fingerprint fully. And every time you will put your finger on the sensor, you have to change the position of it, of course, in order to add all of the edges, all of the parts of the finger. Alright, and as you can see, the fingerprint has been added successfully. It's quite easy in this device. So let's tap on done. And here we've got the Fingerprint Manager. Unfortunately, we do not have a lot of customizable options. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it right here or rename it just by tapping on it. So let me rename it, because why not? Tap on OK. You can, of course, add another fingerprint, and I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints here. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is actually working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.